Fox News resident car lover Jason Carr toured a shrine to automotive history today.
And the best part, the museum is open once a week, free to the public, and 3 of its cars will be at Concours d'Elegance.
Tony Curtis's autograph adorns the car he drove in The Great Race, one of 2 from that movie being featured at Concours d'Elegance. The other vehicle can be raised and lowered like so. Collector Ted Stahl maintains the cars at his Chesterfield Museum.
Leslie Special and the Hannibal 8, 2 unique cars that we fell in love with.
A 1948 Tucker, number 15 off the assembly line, is another beauty in Ted's collection.
Best Tucker on the planet.
The model years here are concentrated mainly before 1955.
But that's when designers could be designers. It wasn't by committee, wasn't by the government dictate. It was they wanted to sell cars. In the Depression era, they had to bring people into the showrooms.
So how does one afford a 1919 Meisenhelder concept car, the only one of its kind, and all of these other cars, and a whole nother warehouse full? Well, if you've ever worn a sports jersey with an applique on it, a number, your name, guess who pioneered the technology? This authenticated recreation of an L29 Cord, front-wheel drive, will also be at Concours. But if you want to see more than just 3 of his cars, then come out to Ted's Museum on Tuesdays, 1 to 4, no charge. And while you're there, check out his collection of music players. In Chesterfield, Jason Carr, Fox 2 News.